Hello and welcome. My name is Hamza. Today we're going to see how to cleaning up our React Native or ReactJS project code base using a very good tool. If you are struggling in cleaning up your project, this video is made for you. Before we start, please consider subscribing and pressing like button if you like this video. But if you have any feedback or concerns, please put it in the comments below. Without further ado, let's get started. For this, we are going to use Knip tool, which is a very good tool and very popular. And all you need to do is just bring up your terminal and then type npx knip. This is the magic command, and it will do all the work for you. Okay, it will display the unused dependencies, unimported files, and all the junk code or the dead code that it is not considered by you, but Knip will bring all of those to you. And this is it for this video. I hope you found this video helpful, and see you in the next one. Salam.